Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Power of AEM. In this series, we will talk about how we can integrate Creative Cloud with AEM as a cloud service. That series will have different videos. In this video, we will talk about the overall concept, how we can integrate the Creative Cloud and how that works in a logical view. So as you can see in this depiction, in the middle section, we are having AEM asset. AEM asset is your AEM cloud or asset essential. When we are talking about AEM cloud, it means that cloud environment should have asset module enabled. So if you have either of the instance or environment like a asset as a cloud service or asset essential, you can integrate your asset environment with Creative Cloud. As we know, asset environment can generate or connect with different systems like brand portal, asset share, dynamic media, and with other APIs to expose the content to external users or some other users who want to use the final assets. However, within a team, we could have some agencies or some different team members who are working on the creative products. And in the real time, they want to leverage all those assets which are available on AEM cloud environment. As we know, we can use AEM cloud environment as a single source of truth. So no need to copy the similar kind of assets on different platform. So in that kind of scenario, we can leverage a kind of integration where creative products can integrate with AEM as a cloud service or asset essentials. In order to go with the integration, we have to learn about Asset Link 3.0. 3.0 is the version of the Asset Link. It is our latest version when I'm recording this session. By using this Asset Link, you can easily connect your creative products like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and XD. These products can leverage all those assets which are available on your cloud environment. So that asset link will work as a connector where you can traverse the asset, all of those assets which are available on cloud. You can view it, you can see its version, you can check in, check out, do modifications, and can also view the metadata. So all these operations you can easily perform by this asset link. In that case, your creative team needs to have the access on the creative product, and that's it, because the configurations, how you need to set up a user, which group you need to set up, how those will be set up, that we will discuss in the next session or in the next recording. However, once that setup is done, you just need to have access on your creative product and can easily pull out the asset and done the changes and push back those assets to the AEM cloud. So this is how you can easily work with this connector. I hope that session or that presentation will be helpful to you in order to understand how this connector will work between creative product and asset cloud as a service. Thank you, and please do subscribe my channel.